Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the radios that nearby share needs, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Nearby Share under Device Connections. That brings up visibility and data options. Make sure you pick a visibility level you control, everyone when testing, contacts for privacy. Also choose data usage so transfers follow your limits. Wi-Fi only avoids mobile charges, while offline allows direct device pairing. Now you're ready to initiate a transfer from a file or the Share menu. Next, select the file or folder you want to send and tap Share, then choose Nearby Share from the menu. You'll see nearby devices, tap the recipient's name and wait for them to accept. The recipient must confirm visibility and accept, which establishes a secure connection. Transfers will negotiate the best transport, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, automatically. If it stalls, make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking prompts, and toggle Bluetooth to reinitiate discovery. This step gets the transfer started and shows progress. When the transfer begins, you'll see a progress indicator in Notifications. Once complete, open the file from that notification or go to Downloads. If something goes wrong, first restart both laptops. That clears transient Bluetooth or Wi-Fi conflicts. Make sure both systems run current OS builds and that Nearby Share visibility isn't blocking discovery. As a deeper fix, clear the Nearby Share cache and data in App Settings or reinstall Play Services updates. This resolves configuration corruption about.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.